just got the wizard going. I had to pour some gas in the carburetor. I'm going to idle it down now. It's a pretty good tractor, as you can see. Here we are. I haven't started this poor thing since probably July or August. So I'm going to try and take you for a ride at least through this carport into this one so you can see more of it. I only got 7 minutes of tape disc space left, so I got to hurry up. Well, here we are. Finally got the old girl out. So, 12 horsepower. On and off switch for the light. So, well, this has been Jay. It's been nice recording for you, and I'm going to go in the house and do some stuff to come out and put this thing away. So I'll see you later.